Fisherman among two killed in separate shootings in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two men were shot and killed by gunmen in separate incidents in St. Anne on Tuesday night. The deceased are 31-year-old fisherman Winston Scott, who is also an employee of Chaka Cove Water Sports in the parish, and 31-year-old Neville Sawyers, alias Bosshead, a laborer of Inverness District in St. Anne. In the first incident, which occurred about 9 a.m. on Tuesday, Scott was shot dead by gunmen who opened fire at him in a section of Sennons Bay. The police, acting on intelligence, responded, and when they got to the location, they reportedly engaged in a firefight with gunmen. When the gunshots subsided, a wounded man was found and taken to hospital. Two firearms as well as quantity of ammunition were recovered in the incident. Hours later, the Alexandra police responded to a report of a gun attack at a shop in Inverness, during which Sawyers was shot dead. Reports are that shortly after 9 p.m., Sawyers went to a shop in the community, and shortly after, explosions were heard. The police who responded to the scene later found the man's body with a gunshot wound to the back of his head. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for the gun attacks.